Tells you how much cum you have left.
I don't think they'll appreciate my videos. Were you there last night, Serenity, when we clapped Vex?
Uh-uh.
Oh, it was tasty. It was so tasty. At first, it was just me and Boone there. And fucking Vex Tard fucking was in a fully crewed Polaris. So I had Boone just fucking fly through it, take out their whole crew in the Polaris. And while they're respawning at Hex and I'm actively murdering people at the gate, Vex is talking in global chat, assuring all the Bobs that the griefer at the gate has been dealt with. It's all safe now.
Shields under fire.
Like, bro, how the fuck would you even do? Yeah, you're med-fed, motherfucker. But then they came back and tried to fight us, and we clapped their whole group.
I'm trying to take down this fucking Star Lancer. He's got a gunner.
I'll be headed that way in a moment after I take a piss and grab a smoke.
Oh, his engine flew off and it killed me.
Oh no!
I'm saving that. I'm saving that shit.
Yeah, send it to me. I'll put it in one of my things.